Now, before you even start your situation analysis, you should join Peergrade. Now, Peergrade is not your personal learning space. It is different from learning.foundation/login. It is a new platform that you need to join in order to submit your work in the full learning cycle. So it is a new platform, and I encourage you to read very carefully each line, each instruction in this post from top to bottom in order to not miss any important information. Once you have done that, remember to click on complete post. But for now, let's see how exactly we can join Peergrade. So now, the most important thing is to find this red button. Click here to join the full learning cycle 1 in Peergrade. It also provides the link for you if you have trouble seeing this red button, and also the code to join the full learning cycle. Now, let's click on the red button. It now takes me to the Peergrade interface, and it's asking me, who am I? Whether I am a new user or I am an existing user. For some of us who have already done programs and courses with the Geneva Learning Foundation before, and you already have an account on Peergrade, you can use your existing login details, and you can click on login to join the full learning cycle 1. However, for many others among us, we're new users, we can simply click on the blue button, create account. So let's do that and see what happens. So I'm clicking on the blue button. Now it's asking me to create a new account. It has 3 things before I can sign up: my full name, my email, and my password. So first I typed my full name, make sure that there is no typo in it. Second, this is where it's really important you do not make a typo, because otherwise you will not receive any reminders to submit your work from Peergrade. So here, type the email that you are using to access the full learning cycle in your personal learning space. And for password, you can set up a password that is easy to remember, because you will need this password later on in order to log back into Peergrade. So once you double check, there's no typo in your full name, there's no typo in the email that you have typed, and you remember the password that you have set up, then click on the blue button, sign up here. And now I see this page. It's showing me full learning cycle 1 for IA 2030 movement. And I also see next up, there is submit work on situation analysis initial version. And I can also see that there is an action plan listed here. So as soon as I see this interface, I know I have joined the full learning cycle 1 in Peergrade successfully. For now, this is all you need to do, because you have not started your situation analysis yet. It's important for you to know that you need a different link to log back into Peergrade. So once you have joined the full learning cycle 1 in Peergrade successfully, this is the link. So put this link as a favorite in your browser. So if we click on it, this link marked in red here, I'm automatically taken here because I'm already logged in. But if I log out and I click on this link again, I am taken to this interface where there's login. You can ignore the left side with login with the school, but only focus on the right side. So here is where you would need to type the email that you have used to create your account, and then type the password you have used. If in the future you happen to forget your password, just scroll further down and there's a forgot your password button for you to reset and have a new password. But for now, let's click on login. And voila, I'm taken back into full learning cycle 1 for IA 2030 movement. So what I need to do is click on this, and I can see again this screen that allows me to submit my situation analysis. So by the end of week 2, once you're done with writing up your situation analysis, you need to click on the submit, the green button here. Under your attachments, you need to upload your situation analysis in a Word document. So here there are 2 ways to do it. You can either drag and drop your situation analysis document here, or like I'm showing you now, you click here and a window pops up and you can simply choose your situation analysis. And make sure that on this step, you choose the right document, because if you choose and upload the wrong document, your colleagues will not be able to give you meaningful feedback. And it's telling me it's saved but not submitted. So in order to submit my situation analysis, I need to scroll further down, and at the bottom, there's a submit button. Let's click on the blue button, submit. And now it's telling me submission saved successfully. That is how you submit your situation analysis in Peergrade.